If I had to start over today with a limited capital but still wanted to build a profitable business in Zimbabwe in 2026, these are the exact machines I would seriously consider importing. Some of these machines are small enough to fit inside a single room but powerful enough to generate income every single day. We are talking about machines that can help people make animal feeds, cooking oil, roofing sheets, plastic packaging, clean drinking water, and even fencing materials. These are not just random machines. These are machines solving real problems in Africa. And whenever you solve a real problem, there is money to be made. So in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down which machines are profitable, why demand is growing, who buys the products, how people are making money from them, and even how you can import these machines from China. So make sure you stay until the end because I'm also sharing tips, importing tips, selling strategies, and how beginners can start without needing millions of dollars. If you enjoy business ideas, importation content, and money making opportunities in Africa, make sure you subscribe right now and let's get into. The first machine is the commercial feed pellet machine, and honestly, this business is underrated. Across Africa, in Zimbabwe, livestock farming is growing fast. People are raising broiler chickens, layers, fish, pigs, rabbits, cattle, and even pets. But all these animals need one thing every single day: the feed. And the feed is expensive. That's where this machine comes in. This machine allows you to produce animal feeds pellet using raw materials like maize, soya beans, sunflower, bran, and other local ingredients. Instead of buying expensive feed from big companies, farmers can buy directly from you. Now imagine this. If you produce even small batches daily, you can supply small-scale farmers, hatcheries, fish farmers, and local breeders. That's recurring business because feed is not a one-time purchase. Farmers buy it every week. And what I love about this business is that raw materials are often locally available, meaning your production cost can stay low. Some beginner machines can produce around 100 to 200 kilograms per hour. That's already enough to start making money. Now, here's the smart strategy. Don't just sell ordinary feed. Create custom mixes. For example, high protein poultry feed, fish growth feed, or vitamin enriched pig feed. The more specialized your feed is, the more premium pricing you can charge. You can even package your feed in breaded bags, create your own local feed brand. And another smart move, partner with veterinary shops or agri-input suppliers. They already have customers working in every day. So instead of searching for buyers alone, you use their network. This machine is perfect for someone living in farming areas or anyone wanting a business with repeat customers. And trust me, agriculture is not going anywhere. Now let's talk about the oil press machine. This one, honestly, it can become a serious money maker. Today, many people are becoming health conscious. People want pure oil and natural oil, freshly pressed oil, especially sunflower, groundnut, sesame oil, coconut oil, and moringa oil. And instead of buying imported brands, many customers now prefer local products, produce the oils. With an oil press machine, you can buy seeds in bulk and press it yourself. And the beautiful thing is you don't need a huge factory to start. Some machines are compact enough for small shops, even home setups. Now, here's where it gets interesting. You don't only make money for the oil from the oil itself. There's also the oil cake. Oil cake is the leftover matter after pressing oil, and guess what? Farmers buy it for animal feed. So you are creating two income streams from one process. That's a smart business. Now imagine branding your oil in bottles with your own label. You can sell to markets, healthy stores, restaurants, supermarkets, and even online. And you even find market it as cold pressed, organic, or chemical free. You can charge even higher prices. This is especially powerful in urban areas where people are willing to pay more for healthier products. For example, coconut oil. And another thing I like about this business is flexibility. You can press oil for customers, sell wholesale, or create your own packaged brand. And Once people trust your quality, repeat customers become very common. Next up is the diamond fencing machine. Security is becoming a major concern across Africa. Everywhere you go, homes, schools, construction sites, farms, and businesses need fences. And chain link fencing is one of the most common options. This machine helps you produce diamond mesh fencing using wire rows. Now think about it. The raw material is relatively simple, but the finished product has a high market value. That's where profit comes in. You can sell fencing by the row, the meter, or even offer installation services. And trust me, construction never really stops. There are always new houses, new schools, new farms, new projects. Now here's how to stand out. Offer custom options. For example, green coated fencing, anti-rust fencing, different heights, or thicker wire for security project. This allows you to target both low budget and premium customers. And if you really want consistent sales, partner with hardware stores, builders, construction companies, and local councils, because these people buy in bulk. Another smart idea: post before and after installation videos on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Visual businesses perform very well online, especially when people can see the transformation. Let's talk about the maize sheller machine. This machine solves a very simple but painful problem. Many farmers still shell maize manually, and during harvest season, that process becomes exhausting and slow. But with a maize sheller machine, you can process maize much faster, in some cases up to 10 times faster than manual labor. Now, this opens several business opportunities. You can offer shelling services. Farmers bring their maize, you can charge per bag or per ton. You can rent out the machine during harvest season. That is passive income, especially in farming communities. Now, you can combine it with grinding services or threshing services. That way, customers get a full package, and the more value you provide, the more money you make. This business works especially in rural areas, farming co-ops, community centers, and maize milling locations. And because harvest season happen every year, demand keeps retaining. Now, this business has everything what every entrepreneur wants: repeat customers. I'm talking about the water purification machine. Clean drinking water is not optional. People need it daily. And in many areas, safe drinking water is still a challenge. So this business combines profits, community value, and scalability. With a water purification setup, you can purify and package your own water. You can sell 500 ml bottles, 1 liter bottles, 5 liter containers, or even water dispenser refills. Now here's the key. Branding matters a lot in this business. People buy trust. So clean packaging, professional labels, and hygiene make a huge difference. And if your system includes UV purification, reverse osmosis, or filtration systems, you can position yourself as a premium brand. Now think about the potential customers: schools, churches, offices, restaurants, events, gyms, and supermarkets. Water is consumed everywhere. Another smart strategy: sell reusable branded containers. That keeps your brand inside people's homes, offices, and over time you could build customer loyalty. This business may require more setup than others, but once established, cash flow becomes consistent. Now let's move to packaging. The plastic bag automatic machine. Packaging is everywhere: bread bags, boutique bags, snack packaging, takeaways, packaging. Almost everything produced needs packaging, and businesses are always searching for suppliers. This machine helps produce plastic bags in large quantities. You can customize size, thickness, design, and even print logos. Now here's the opportunity. Many small businesses want branded packaging, but you can't afford large factories. That's where you step in. You become the local supplier. You can target bakeries, small shops, boutiques, snack businesses, market vendors, and wholesalers. And if you add a logo, printing attachment, your income potential increases even more. Because branded packaging sells at high prices. Another smart idea: focus on niche packaging. For example, clear snack bags, boutique shopping bags, or bakery packaging. The more specific your niche is, the easier it becomes for you to market. And because businesses reorder packaging constantly, this can become recurring monthly income. Now, this one is big, the IBR roofing tile machines. Housing and construction are growing rapidly across Africa. People are building homes, shops, warehouses, churches, and schools, and all these buildings need roofing. This machine helps you produce roofing sheets locally instead of relying entirely on imported roofing materials. You become the supplier. Now, roofing materials are expensive, which means the margin can even be very good, and builders usually buy in bulk. That's important. Bulk buyers can grow your business faster. You can produce IBR sheets, corrugated sheets, or colored roofing tiles. And if you offer custom colors, faster delivery, or installation support, you gain a huge advantage. Another powerful strategy: create partnerships with hardware stores, construction companies, and building contractors. Because these people constantly need roofing supplies, you can even create your own local roofing brand. And once trust is built, word of mouth marketing becomes powerful. And